Audio recording for this meeting has begun.
Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is David Wilmer, and today we're going to be looking at the Share tool in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. So let's get right into it. We're just going to click in, and then we're just going to select the document that we'd like to share. So we're going to go with an old standby, the sample demo file, and then this little menu pops up like this. So we have four options on the left-hand side. So we can get a link, invite people, attach an email, or request signatures. So the first option, get a link. So this will generate a link to our file, which will be uploaded to the document cloud. So anybody with the link can view this file. So that means not just people with Adobe Acrobat accounts. You have this little checkbox right here to allow comments. So basically all of the functionality within the commenting tool would also be available to you within the document cloud once you click into it with this link, which has just popped up. Impeccable timing. So you can copy the link, or you can just go directly to the review by clicking this button, which will basically show you what it'll look like in the document cloud. But we can also copy it to the shared link like this, open it up in our web browser, and so as you can see, we're now in the document cloud, and we have the comment or the sticky note tool, highlighting tool, underline tool, strike through, and the doodly tool. So now let's look at the other options for sharing. And in addition, you don't just have to go back to the tools pane to use the share tool. You can use it. You can access the sharing functionality from any tool by clicking up here on the upper right, the share button. Oh, my bad. So we're going to have to reopen that, actually. Since I had already shared it, I'm not allowed to share it again. So we got to reopen this and then share it. And then the other two options, the other couple options, we can invite people. So we can then send this document to specific users. So we can type in our emails, and then it would just auto-populate. Similarly, we can click this. Now note when I click, an Outlook draft has already popped up. Now note, since I have not saved this document, Outlook has blocked access to the potentially unsafe attachments. So let me just save this first. And then let's try sharing it again. There we go. So now it's attached. So you can also send it more directly that way. And finally, you can request signatures using the Adobe Sign functionality. Now note, you don't need an Adobe Sign subscription to do this, but it says that it is powered by Adobe Sign, and it will just link you into the Adobe Sign tool, which we will cover in a later video. But for now, that's all there is for today. Thank you so much for watching, ladies and gentlemen, and next time we're going to be covering the Send for Review tool. Until then, take care.